Student, good morning. Today I will discuss some problems by using identity theory. Identity theory. A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. Student, take an example. Find the product 9x minus 5y into 9x plus 5y by using identity theory. Find the product 9x minus 5y into 9x plus 5y by using identity theory. Solution is here. 9x plus 5y into 9x minus 5y is equal to 9x whole square minus 5y whole square by using identity number 3. By using identity number 3. Therefore, the whole square of 9x is equal 9x into 9x. 9x into 9x. We get result 81x square minus 5y whole square. That means 5y into 5y. We get result 25y square. Minus is here. Therefore, required result of 9x plus 5y into 9x minus 5y is equal to 81x square minus 25y square. Now, take another example. Find the product of the following by using identity theory. 5ab minus 8c into 5ab plus 8c. 5ab whole square minus 8c whole square by using identity number 2. Five AB whole square means 5ab into 5ab is equal 25a square b square minus is here 8c whole square, that means 8c into 8c. We get result 64c square. Therefore, the product of 5ab minus 8c into 5ab plus 8c is equal to 25a square b square minus 64c square. Now take another example. 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2 n is equal to 0.1 m whole square minus 0.2 n whole square by using identity 2. Identity 3. By using identity 3. 0.1 m whole square, that means 0.1 m into 0.1 m. The product will be 0.01 m square minus 0.04 n square. 0.2 n into 0.2 n is equal 0.04 n square. Now take another example. Evaluate the following by using identity 3. 545 whole square minus 445 square whole square. 545 square minus 445 square is equal 545 plus 445 into 545 minus 445. 545 plus 445 is equal 990. And 545 minus 445, we get result 100. And now 990 into 100 is equal 99,000. Now take another example. 367 square minus 33 square. We know a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Therefore 367 square minus 33 square is equal 367. 367 plus 33 into 367 minus 33. 367 plus 33 is equal 400, and 367 minus 33 is equal 334. And the product of 400 into and 334, we get result 1,33,600. Understood? Student, now take another example. Simplify the following products by expressing these as a difference of two squares. Simplify the following products by expressing these as a difference of two squares. Number 1, 30.9 into 29.1. We have 30.9 into 29.1 is equal to 30 plus 0.9 into 30 minus 0.9. We have 30.9 into 29.1 is equal to 30 plus 0.9. 30 plus 0.9 is equal 30.9. Similarly, 30 minus 0.9 is equal 29.1. By using this property, a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 30 square minus 0.9 square. Square of 30 is equal 30 into 30 is equal 900. And square of 0.9 is equal 0.9 into 0.9. The product will be 0.81. 900 minus 0.81 is equal 899.19, means 899.19. Clear? Now take another example. 211 into 189. We have 211 into 189 is equal to 200 plus 11. 200 plus 11 is equal to 211. And 200 minus 11 is equal 189. By using property a plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. Therefore, 200 square minus 11 square, 200 square is equal to 40,000. 200 into 200, the product will be 40,000. And square of 11 is equal 121. Now 40,000 minus 121 is equal 39,879. 39,879. Clear? Now another example. 12.4 into 11.6. Another example, we have 12.4 into 11.6 is equal to 12 plus 0.4 into 12 minus 0.4. 12 plus 0.4 into 12 minus 0.4 is equal 12 square minus 0.4 square. By using by using property a plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. Therefore, square of 12 is equal 144 and square of 0.4 is equal 0.16. 144 minus 0.16 is equal 143.84. We get result 143.84. Student, understood? Now take another example. Find the value of x if 6x is equal 23 square minus 17 square and 25x is equal 536 square minus 136 square. Now solution is here. We have 6x is equal 23 square minus 17 square. As we know, a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we can write 23 square minus 17 square is equal to 23 plus 17 and 23 minus 17. 23 plus 17 is equal 40 and 23 minus 17 is equal 6. 40 into 6 is equal 40 into 6. We get result 40 into 6 and 6x is here. Then x is equal 40 into 6 by 6. 6 cancel. We get result 40. The value of x is equal to 40. Now, another example. 25x is equal 536 square minus 136 square. By using property a square minus b square is equal a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we can write 536 square minus 136 square is equal 536 plus 136 into 536 minus 136. 536 plus 136 is equal 672 and 536 minus 136 is equal 400. 672 into 400 by 25. X is equal 672 into 400 by 25. When we divide 400 by 25, we get result 16. And 672 into 16 is equal 672 into 16 is equal 10,752. Clear? Student, take another example. If 3x plus 2y is equal 12 and xy is equal 6, find the value of 9x square plus 4y square. We have 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 given. Now squaring both sides. Then we get 3x plus 2y whole square is equal to 12 square. 3x square plus 2y square plus 2 into 3x plus 2y is equal 144. 12 into 12, 144. By using property identity number 1. A plus b whole square is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore, thus 3x whole square is equal 9x square and 2y whole square is equal 4y square. 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12xy. 144 is here. Now 9x square plus 4y square is equal 144 minus 12xy. And xy is equal 6 is here. Therefore, 144 minus 12 into 6 is equal 72. 144 minus 72 is equal 72. Hence, 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 72. Clear?